How to do basic math in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, I will start by adding. Let's add these numbers. Simply click on one cell and add equals sign. Select the first number and add plus sign in your keyboard. After you've clicked on the plus sign on your keyboard, press on the second number you want to add. Press on enter and you will find your answer in this way. Now, if you want to subtract, what you can do is simply click on the cell where you want to subtract, add equals sign, select the first number, add minus sign, click on second number and press on enter. You'll find your subtracted number in here. Now, to multiply, again click on the cell, add equals sign. After you have added equals sign, here click on the first number and add the star sign. It indicates multiply. After you've added this, click on the second number. After you click on the second number, press on enter and it will multiply and give you the number. And to divide, what you can do is simply click on the cell, add equals sign, select the first number, add slash, which indicates divide, and then click on second number and press on enter. You will get your answer. This is how to do basic math in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.